because for military planes and ships to, for example, to go to Israel, it will take for a ship 25 days, and it would cost around 72 million just for the fuel. Military aircraft will have 46 million one way, and Sir, I represent the armed
Colonel.
forces.
Yes, Colonel
I think somebody from the DND
Elmer
is already here.
from the Armed Forces.
Si Mr. Abdul Gonzalez is the one representing the DND. So we actually have a contingency plan from the AFP. It's already in place. Different scenarios na and we are constantly in contact with the defense attaché. But yung plano namin, sir, is it will be, I think it's the last resort. Considering deploying military assets in a foreign country would be risky, and it will take a lot of cost. So ang primary means natin ng repatriation or evacuation, I think, would be best kung through commercial planes or ships. Because for military planes and ships to, for example, to go to Israel, it will take for a ship 25 days, and it would cost around 72 million just for the fuel. Military aircraft will have 46 million one way, and it will take several countries to refuel, stopover refuel, and considering yung kaya niyang ikarga, it's not cost effective. It will not be cost efficient, we say. So ang namin, sir, kung if ever wala na talagang commercial, that's what I said, it's the last resort. We will be there. It's actually, we have a plan in place. We continuously exercise this through tabletop exercises, and we continuously discuss this because we believe no plan actually survives the first shot. So we are in constant contact with our defense attaché so that na monitor namin yung situation, and we are actually basing our decisions on the alert levels promulgated by the DFA. So I think nasa alert level 2 pa lang naman tayo, sir. So no need to to panic. But we assure you that we have contingency plans in place. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Colonel Elmer Bungaling.